This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Caroline McCartney. Extremely well-maintained condo with incredible views of the downtown area, Elizabeth River and the harbor. Current owners love this unit but are moving out of the area. One garage reserved parking space number 124th floor. Secure building. Recent updates, new kitchen lighting, freshly painted bedrooms and baths, and new custom shades. Includes all kitchen appliances plus washer and dryer. Refrigerator is new, 2020. Comfortable floor plan with a granite kitchen opening into the living/dining area. Ample kitchen cabinets and closet storage. Both bedrooms have full baths plus a half bath in the entry hall. The large utility room has the washer-dryer, hot water heater, and storage. High windows and the balcony